Can someone tell me why my Samsung fridge died on me? We bought a Samsung RF226 fridge about 5-6 months ago and it's been working great, but yesterday it started making a loud humming noise. When closed and this morning I open it to find that it's just slightly cooler than room temperature in there. If someone could let me know how to fix this, I'd appreciate it. Also, I'm pretty sure it'd have something to do with the compressor, but I wouldn't even know how to get to it. Question from user longbread3635 at appliances at Reddit. Answer: I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing issues with your Samsung RF226 refrigerator. While I can provide some general troubleshooting tips, it's important to note that refrigerator repairs can be complex, and it's often best to consult with a professional technician or contact Samsung's customer support for assistance. Here are a few steps you can try. Check the temperature settings. Make sure the temperature settings on your refrigerator are properly set. The recommended refrigerator temperature is usually between 35 degrees F1, 7 degrees C, and 38 degrees F3, 3 degrees C. If the temperature is set correctly and it's still not cooling, proceed to the next steps. Clean the condenser coils. The condenser coils help dissipate heat from the refrigerator. Over time, these coils can become dirty and cause cooling issues. Locate the condenser coils usually at the back or underneath the fridge and clean them using a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush. Ensure the power is disconnected before attempting any cleaning. Check the door seal. A faulty door seal can allow warm air to enter the refrigerator, affecting its cooling performance. Inspect the door gasket for any signs of damage, such as cracks or gaps. If you notice any issues, you may need to replace the gasket. Consult the refrigerator's manual or contact Samsung's customer support for guidance on replacing the door seal. Verify proper ventilation. Ensure that the refrigerator has adequate space around it for proper airflow. Clear any obstructions, such as items blocking the vents or the back of the refrigerator, which can hinder the cooling process. Power cycle the refrigerator. Try turning off the refrigerator, unplugging it from the power source, and waiting for a few minutes. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset may resolve temporary issues. If none of the above steps resolve the problem, it's recommended to reach out to Samsung's customer support or a qualified technician for further assistance. They will have the expertise to diagnose and repair the specific issue with your refrigerator, including accessing the compressor if necessary. Remember, refrigerators contain electrical components, so exercise caution and ensure the power is disconnected before attempting any repairs or maintenance.